Hello everyone. So I am making this video because I had some very hard time understanding it that how to export your Strava file or any kind of GPX data into Google Earth. So I'm gonna show it now. In the Strava, any kind of ride homepage, you will this interface, and here on the map you can actually see an option for download. So if I download it, there you go. So if I download it, you can see that it saves as a GPX file. Okay, so now open the Google Earth, and here you can see I just created a temporary folder, and okay, there you go. Now take that download file, download a GPX file in here. It will I don't know why, but when I upload this into Google Earth Pro, it kind of stops for a little bit, and as you can see I can't just control it anything right now. So there you go. It there is multiple options. I just click on all of them, and you can see actually in a few minutes. Okay, there you go. Now it has installed, and I can see actually the exact map here. So it is sluggish a bit, but happens due to all the directions and you see. So if I uncheck that, you can see it will be much faster to interface. So there you go. I have the option for tracks, and yeah, actually you can control all these things separately. So there you go, tracks. So to read it right, there you go. I have paths, points, and I don't need directions, so I just uncheck with that, and I don't need any points. So yes, so you can see actually now it is very responsive, and you can have a very clean mark here. There you go. So this is how you can export your Strava data or any kind of GPX file on Google Earth Pro. Thank you very much. So I just want to say another thing, because if you want to delete all the tracks, you can just go here and press delete. So it will just delete. Because and if you don't need points, you can just delete it. Just click on it and then delete it. Will delete, but your path will remain unaffected. Thank you very much.